Hello children, welcome to Learn with Fun. Today's our session is Class 3 Maths Place Values and Number Names. In this we are going to learn what is 4-digit smallest and greatest number, place values, place value chart, expanded form, number names, abacus, and small worksheet on this topic. Now children, let us learn our first topic, 4-digit number. In class 2, we have already learned the greatest 1-digit number is 9. The greatest 2-digit number is 99. The greatest 3-digit number is 999. Now the question is, what is 999 plus 1? The answer is 1000, which is the smallest 4-digit number. So children, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Yes, 9999. Now children, let us understand what is place value. Every digit in a number has a value according to its place, which is called as place value. Let's learn how to denote the place values. In a number, the first place is ones, which is denoted by O. It means one object. Second place is tens, which is denoted by T. It means 10 objects or 10 ones. Third place is hundreds place, which is denoted by H. It means 100 objects or 10 tens. Fourth place is thousands place, which is denoted by TH. It means 1000 objects or 10 hundreds. Now children, let us form a place value chart with the help of an example. Here I have taken a number 6574. In this, the first digit is 4. It goes to ones place. Second digit is 7. It will go to tens place. Third digit is 5. So it will go to hundreds place. And the last digit is 6. It will go to thousands place. This is how we form a place value chart for a given number. Now children, our next topic is how to write place value from a given chart. We have an example of 6574 and we want to know the place value of each digit. So children, let us understand how to get place value from this chart. Since the digit 4 is at ones place, the place value of 4 is 4 ones or 4. The place value of second digit 7 is 7 tens or 70. Now 5 is at hundreds place, so the place value of 5 is 5 hundreds or 500. And in the last digit 6 is present at thousands place, so the place value of 6 is 6 thousands or the number 6000. Now children, let us take another example. Here we have a place value chart having a number 5129. Since 9 is at ones place, place value of 9 is 9. Similarly, 2 is at tens place, so the place value of 2 is 20. The digit 1 is present at hundreds place, so its place value will be 100. And in the last, 5 digit is present at thousands place, so its place value will be 5000. Children, we have the place value for a number. Now let us learn about how to write the expanded form for the same given number. Expanded form is the addition of all the place values of a number. So, here the expanded form of this given example 5129 will be 5000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 9. 5129 is also called the short form. Now children, let us learn about number names for 4-digit number. To write the number name, we start from the thousands place and then towards ones place. The number name for the same example 5129 is 5129. Now children, let us revise what we have learned so far with the help of an exercise. Our first question is, make the place value chart for 7304 and write its expanded form and its number name. So this is how we will form the place value chart. The digit 4 is present at ones place, second digit 0 is present at tens place, 3 is present at hundreds place, and the last digit 7 is present at thousands place. And its expanded form will be 7000 plus 300 plus 0 plus 4, and its number name will be 7304. Now the second question. Make the place value chart for 8050 and write its expanded form and its number name. Children, we have already discussed how to write a place value chart for the given number. Here, 0 will be represented at ones place, 5 will represent at tens place, 0 goes to hundreds place, and the last digit 8, it will go to thousands place. Its expanded form will be 8000 plus 0 plus 50 plus 4, and its number name will be 8054. Now children, let us learn how to write the number from abacus. Here we have the abacus and we will start reading the value from the extreme right. Rightmost spike is ones, and then we have tens spike, hundreds spike, and the last is the thousands spike. Now let's make a place value chart to get the number from the abacus. Children, as you can see, we have 5 green beads at ones spike. So we will put 5 at ones place in the place value chart. Similarly, we have 3 blue beads at tens spike. So we put 3 at tens place in the place value chart. Next, we have 1 yellow bead at hundreds spike. So we will put 1 at hundreds place in the chart. And in the last, we have 4 red beads at thousands spike. So we will put 4 at thousands place in the place value chart. So the number from the given abacus will be 4135. Children, now similarly we learn how to represent a given number on abacus. Let us take an example 3251. We will start from ones place, which is 1. So we will put 1 green bead at ones spike. Similarly, we have 5 number at tens place. So we will put 5 blue beads at tens spike. We have number 2 at hundreds place. So we will put 2 yellow beads at hundreds spike. And in the last, we have the number 3 at thousands place, so we will put 3 red beads at thousands spike. Now children, I will give worksheet to you for practice. First question, Make the place value chart of 4278 and write its expanded form and number name. Second one, write the number name for 3837. Third one, represent the number 2442 on abacus. Fourth one, write place value of digit 5 in the following numbers: A 2563, B 3845, C 1957, D 5823. Here ends today's topic, place values and number names. In the next session, I will solve the worksheet for you. Till then, children, practice the questions given in the worksheet and take care of yourself. Please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you.